Ian, anytime. The youngest in the game. Let's go. Super good style. Kickflip of the Euro game. Or slide the whole rail, flat bar. Early grab. Still time. Wow. Big swing with back left. Back D. Barrel flip, almost. Clean, goal slider fakie. Nice. Frances Smith right on the ledge. Styled out. A little backside ollie. Such a good flow. Split up. Wow! Benihana. Benihana. Throw the horn, throw the... Hold on. All right, anytime, Ian, let's do it. Oh! What? What?
Yeah.
Oh my... Oh. Boy PJ, don't cry. Oh my goodness, like from where? Where is that trick from? It's amazing. Borstar shoving it clean. That's really hard.
Clean.
Ian, good job, bro. Hey, varial flip up the Euro gap. Yeah, Ian.
So I think it's like this, Brian. Yeah, this is the first time at Asian Games 2018, right?
That's right.
And the first time skateboarding could appear here.
That's right.
And the first time also Palembang here.
That's
with a
right.
good